Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about book covers. There's a lot of nonsense going out in the non-fiction realm for self-publishing about spending $50 for a book cover. Now, for my friends and viewers who are fiction publishers, this does not apply to you. If you are a fiction publisher, you are spending top dollar, premium dollar on book covers. I believe the minimum would be anywhere between $100 to $300 at the minimum for a top quality book cover for fiction, because fiction is a different beast in and of itself. It's a different ball game. You need that top high-end premium cover. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be talking about non-fiction book covers. So I heard somebody talking about, spending $50 for a book cover, right? And all I can tell you is you are burning your money. You are wasting your money if you're spending $50 for a book cover, right? You're better off using that $50 for Amazon marketing and as well as a budget for your ghostwritten book, right? This is just nonsense and ridiculous. And anybody telling you that you have to spend $50 for nonfiction is scamming you, right? You should spend anywhere between, you should be able to find someone to do a book cover for you on the website Fiverr, anywhere between $5 to $10, right? $5 to $10, right? This is the starting point. This is the starting price. I would say $20 is the maximum. You're pushing it. I would not recommend you to spend 20 bucks on a cover, but there are some book cover designers who do charge $20 for a premium book cover for nonfiction. But I can tell you that you can easily find someone who's adequate and a premium cover design for $5 to $10 in nonfiction. All you gotta do is go on to the Fiverr website over here. I will leave a link in the description for you, and you just need to search for book cover designers. Now, I can't give you my personal book cover designer because that's for my students who've paid for this information, but you can find someone similar or someone who has the skill set on this, because there's plenty of book cover and graphic designers on Fiverr, and I'm more than certain you will be able to find someone who can do that for you. So again, do not spend $50 for a book cover. Anybody telling you otherwise for nonfiction is scamming you. You do not need to spend $50 for a nonfiction book cover. Again, you want to aim for $5 to $10 at the minimum. $20, you're pushing it, but I would say you can easily find someone to do it for $5 to $10, right? Because you have to keep in mind with business is not only about making money, but it's also about keeping money. And business expenses is all a part of the game too, right? You want to keep your costs low and your revenue high, right? So that your net profit in turn can be much more. So that's going to be all for this video about book covers. Is $50 book covers overrated for nonfiction? Yes, absolutely yes. You do not need to spend $50 for a book cover for a book cover in nonfiction, right? You should be spending anywhere between $5 to $10. So that's going to be all for this video. I hope you found it insightful. Please like, subscribe, share, and remember to hit the bell notification so that you're notified for any of my new upcoming videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.